everyone. So today is 1st of March and it's time for reflections. Reflections are a great moment to help us find out what have been our accomplishments so far and where we are headed. It's like getting to put back your yardstick towards your goals, towards whatever you are set out to achieve. So I am at a beautiful place here today, and so so the moment of reflection here for me had been to be in the moment, live in the moment. What has been the moment of reflection for you in the past month? What has been that one thing that you had planned to achieve and you could do that? And if you couldn't, what stopped you from doing that? I think that's the biggest one to find out, to really look at where you are headed in your life. So for me, the past month had been really wonderful, really great. And it's been the month of love, so I believe I did a self-love topic on 14th of Feb, and I'm sure you must have got it that yes, the self-love is so much important for each one of us, to be there in our relationships, to be there for ourselves wherever we are headed in life, as a human being, as an individual. So yes, there had been few things that I have been doing for myself, and that's why I'm on a vacation currently with my family. Another thing I wanted to mention was, so first of all, I want to say thank you everyone for the birthday wishes. I feel so happy. I got more than 200 wishing messages, birthday wishes to me, and I felt overwhelmed with love. So thank you very much for sharing your love to me, sharing your wishes to me. It means a lot. I have been responding everyone. So the Facebook has some limits, because of which I couldn't respond to the last, I think, 10-12 people. But thank you so much from bottom of my heart for wishing me on my birthday. So coming back to reflections, for me the past month had been definitely more on the self-love front, and then taking this vacation with family. Of course, I love to travel, so that's what I did as an action for myself to help me more, fulfill myself from inside. I love to travel, so I keep on doing that. Another thing, I got more clarity in terms of what kind of people, what I would like to do more, which kind of people I would like to help, the action takers in their lives. So yes, I got a lot of clarity. I am moving towards that. I feel that I'm there. So that has been one of the things that have been able to accomplish. Plus, as I keep talking about my health, so yes, I'm working on it very well, and I'm really enjoying my fitness journey. I'm really enjoying being there for myself, the fit me. Now the tip for today basically is, what exactly you find missing in your life today. Whenever you find yourself stuck, I would want you to just take a moment back and identify what is basically stopping you, irritating you, frustrating you from inside, because of which you are not able to take that next step. What happens is, sometimes we see the world through our eyes, through our own perspectives, and we miss to find out the other's perspective. We miss to find out what's happening on the other side possibly. We miss to really think about, step into others' shoes and really make it happen. Get a breakthrough in that moment. So today, one of the things that I want to mention is, whenever you find yourself fearful dealing with a situation, the most important thing would be just think about what would it be on the other side. What would it be on the other side if you are able to overcome that? If you are able to get through that situation and just live break free. Okay, I will share my journey here. I'm at the sea, near the sea, and I have a fear of water so much, and I conquered that fear. Yes, I did. I would share my video with all of you later about that. But yes, I conquered it. I had a fear of, breathing in the water. How will that happen? Just that. But then I tried it. I made sure that what would be on the other side if I am able to do this. What is it that is making me fearful in this moment? So, and then I could break through it. So I would want to look at what is making you fearful, frustrated, angry, upset in this moment. And my dear friends, that is the moment of breakthrough for you. That is the moment of victory. You can convert it to victory for yourselves. So the point here is, you need not be fearless. Okay, fearless doesn't mean that it is an absence of fear. Okay, courage doesn't mean that it's absence of fear. Ask anyone in this world, everyone is fearful of something, right? But courage just means that irrespective of the fear, how are you taking actions to make yourself shine and rise towards your growth and progress? Okay, so that's it from my side today. I wish you all the best for the last month of the first quarter of 2021. Make it happen. Get back on track. Be compassionate to yourself, as I mentioned in the last one. Just head towards wherever you want to. If you don't have clarity where you are headed, sit back, write, journal. Okay, and if you need help, just put it in the comment box and I'll reach out to you for sure. Reach out to me, I will reach out to you. That's for sure. And let's make 2021 the best year of our lives. Thank you so much and all the best.